Hello, hello, hello. Naada tayo i-unbox karon. Tidididin. Tidididin. Litson Queen. Alright. Look at this. Lami nga ayo nga. Karon na ako'y sukang pinakurat o puso. Very Cebuano. I-try na to ang ilahang bag-ong produkto, which is the chicken Litson Queen. Kasi first nila na product is the Litson Queen pork belly. Superb. Ngayon, meron silang Litson Queen chicken. Sige nga. Try natin. By the way, thank you Litson Queen for this food. First, atong i-try siya without suka. Okay? With this? Wow. This is so dami. Try to with sukang pinakurat. Lamig good. Wow. You know what's the best with Litson Queen? Okay. All their product is natural. No sugar, no MSG, at saka tinrabaho nila to with heart. That's the most important thing. Kasi, you know, cooking kasi, pag nagluto ka lang for the sake na may maluluto ka, hindi masarap yung pagkain. Pero pag nagluto ka, nagaling sa puso mo, masarap yung pagkain na niluto mo. Kasi from your heart. Nice, huh? Thank you. Thank you sa meal ko today. Some kind different. You know, the bad thing that I don't like with lechon manok is yung amoy na nakakaumay. Ito, yung amoy ng Litson Queen pork belly at saka itong manok nila, same. So, kung walang mukhang ano ng manok, ito, na paa ng manok, masabi mo na na Litson belly pa din. Kasi the taste, the texture, everything is still the same, except sa manok lang siya. Lami siya. Wala na akong nagduog suka. kuha lang kong condiments na pinakurat kasi ganahan ko og halang, but not because na kailangan siya og pinakurat. In terms of condiments, pinakurat talaga the rest for me. So guys, visit Lechon Queen sa Mango Avenue, Cebu City, beside Tower 101, in front of STC, St. Teresa College. So Tower 101, there's parking there, and then Lechon Queen facing Tower 101 is on the left side. Then nadiha ang Lechon Queen, in between Tower 101 and Taft Realties something. Open sila daily. Tilawi ang ilahang pork belly and ilahang lechon manok. Alright, bye bye, thank you. Yung timpla ng Lechon Queen, noot sa
Ako na asam ko na Panginoon bunga lang